Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to delete transaction history on Chime. Unfortunately, you can't delete your transaction history on Chime. The platform doesn't offer that feature for security and record keeping reasons. However, here's what you can do instead. First, block your card to stop any future transactions. Second, contact Chime support if you need to cancel a pending transfer. And if you notice any unauthorized transactions, report them immediately so Chime can investigate. And that's it. While you can't erase past activity, these steps can help you manage your transactions safely. Thanks for watching!
If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.